Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Hey guys, I'm Manasvi and today we're going to talk about how we can keep our dogs physically and mentally stimulated during the lockdown. All of our dogs need some form of exercise every day to stay calm in the house. Because of the lockdown and because we are unable to take them outside, I've come up with a few methods that all of us can use indoors with our dogs. Number one would be to make them run up and down the staircase at least 15 to 20 times if that would be really helpful. I usually use a treat and either throw it down the flight of stairs or up the flight of stairs, and then they can run to get it. I keep doing that at least 15 to 20 times. Especially if you have a young Labrador or a Beagle, this much exercise is needed. Every 2 or 3 days, I have realized that my dogs need a long walk. They need to go out and stretch properly. I take all the necessary precautions and I take them for a walk, long walk. So you can do this walk within your society. You can take 3 or 4 rounds within your society and that will help. Though after coming back, I either give them a bath or sanitize their paws thoroughly so that it's safe to bring them back indoors. Another very useful exercise I've realized is to make them jump across a wall. That works with my Labrador. She's a very high energy dog, and again I make her do that about 40 to 50 times, and she's set for the rest of the day. If you have access to even a little bit of open space like your parking or a lawn in your society or something, you can take them down half an hour a day to run around. Of course, make sure the place is well guarded so your dog cannot run away. If I have access to a space like that, I always play fetch with my Labradors, or I play catch me if you can with both the Beagles. They tend to love it. When it comes to mental stimulation, I have noticed that it also works really well to help our dogs calm down indoors. When it comes to Beagles, they have a very strong sense of smell, so I use them to I use that sense to help them find stuff in the house. I hide treats inside the house and they can find it through the day, or I hide treats in a piece of cloth and I sort of fold it up so they spend 15 to 20 minutes finding it. I started teaching my Labrador the bang bang command. With my Beagles, I constantly train them. That helps them stay happy. Learning something new always keeps them motivated. After a good 15-minute session, they want to go back home and sleep because their brain's been so active through the session that they want to relax after that. The most in these times is that my dogs need one-on-one time with me or some family member at least 2 hours within a day. We can do whatever with them. We can be playing with them, we can be training them, we can just be sitting and talking to them, but they need that one-on-one time. We get too busy with our lives and our stress and our preoccupations that we forget to do that. I have also noticed that every time I do that, I become happier. I think that's one of the major things that all of us must do with our dogs.